What is up, Ram fam? Hopefully you guys are having a fantastic day. Today's video is actually going to be an update onto in regards to the iDrive that I installed about a month and a half ago. I promised I was going to do a review on what I thought. First impressions were amazing. If you guys have not seen the initial install video, the card should be up on the right side, top right there. But I do suggest go ahead and watch that video.
Real quick, I want to show you where the system's located and the different modes, I should say, rather. So we have Eco, which is the best for fuel economy here. We do have Ultimate, and there's different presets as well, 1 through 9 or 0 through 9. And this is also Auto. Basically, it will automatically correct the throttle response to you according to your driving. But I like to stay in AC or Auto as well as Ultimate. And when I really want to have fun, as you see in the clip I'm about to show, it will be in U9.
So hopefully you guys enjoyed that exhaust clip, heard the response in the truck. I can tell you that it's night and day. There's a huge difference in how that 2500 takes off. It feels like it has like an extra 25, 30 horsepower, like a tune on it, but it doesn't. It just eliminates that dead lag in the throttle response. A lot better. I definitely recommend. What I'll do is I'll leave a link down below. If you use the code RAMINATOR, you'll also save 10% off on your purchase. So all the goodies down below. Please consider liking, hitting that thumbs up, and you guys have a fantastic day.